sobrang overwhelming. Sorry, medyo under the weather lang si...
Uy, alam niya.
Ikaw nag-sorry para sa kanya.
Of the press would like to interview you later about how you feel nag-hit ang team up nyo ni Zijan as Tim and Poch.
I've been saying this to Direk Onat as well na sobrang overwhelming and I'm beyond grateful, sobrang grateful po ako sa kung paano tumakbo rin yung story ni Poch and especially nung nakilala niya si Tim ng sobrang malalim na. Unexpectedly kasi hindi po ako nag-expect talaga ng kung paano tatakbo yung story kasi I was doing like indie films then way back so alam ko na yung start to finish and then now doing serie. Yung takbo niya is no expectations lang talaga so para I was just going with the flow and then now he's really my favorite character. Sobrang iningatan ko rin si Poch. And now, syempre with Zijan siya, yun lang, sorry medyo under the weather lang si...
Uy, alam niya.
Ikaw nag-sorry para sa kanya. Hindi, masama na talaga yung pakiramdam niya, I'm sorry. Pero kasama namin siya kahapon. Pero I'm sure kung may message mang sasabihin po si Zijan sa inyo, which is thank you. Thank you po sa pag-aakap sa mga characters namin. And yun, proud kami na napakita rin namin yung love na may ilalabas pa ng love yung isa't isa na unexpectedly.